clear Chrome cache and cookies in just 1 minute and make your browser lightning fast. Remember, this tutorial is for both mobile and PC users. Before we start, make sure to leave a like and drop a heart in the comments. So, like always, let's start from the very beginning. I'm sure you're a Google Chrome user, so quickly open your Chrome browser. Once the browser is open, on the top right side next to your profile, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots. A long list will open. From here, find the option called Delete Browsing Data and click it. Now this is where the real process begins. Be careful. If you make a small mistake, you'll be signed out of all websites. So don't skip the video and follow properly. You'll automatically land in the Privacy and Security section. The first option you'll see is Browsing History. This removes the list of websites you visited, including searches you type. It helps keep your activity private. Cookies and other site data. This deletes saved login information and site preferences. You'll be signed out of most websites. Cached images and files. This clears stored copies of web pages and pictures. It frees up space, but websites may load a bit slower the next time. There's also another option many people don't use, which is Time Range. Time Range lets you choose how far back you want to delete your data. For example, the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, or all time. If you select Browsing History, Cookies and other site data, and cached images and files together, and then click Delete Data, it will completely clear cache and cookies in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.